that door faster than light reflects on snowball Earth?
You mean albedo?
Who's Alfredo? He sounds familiar.
Albedo has nothing to do with the speed in which light reflects, but more of the reflectivity of the Earth's surface. For example, ice has a high reflectivity due to its light color compared to the land or the ocean. As a result, the snowball Earth has a high albedo because it reflects a lot of the incoming radiation.
Fact. Alfredo has a higher reflectivity than any other pasta sauce.
Did you guys hear that?
Hear what? So this global warming thing, what should we be looking out for?
I'm not exactly sold on this global warming thing. If they called it disk warming or plane warming, maybe I could get on board.
Well, first of all, the Earth is a sphere, so it most definitely is global warming.
Technically imperfect spheroid.
And second of all, there are several factors, including albedo, that play a part in global warming.
Water vapor, despite it being a contributing factor to the warming of the Earth, is often overlooked as a greenhouse gas. However, it is carbon dioxide that presents the greatest threat to the warming of the Earth.
Did you guys know that there's a positive feedback loop between greenhouse gases
And the surface temperature of the Earth? Yeah, I know. It's kind of like how you go to Taco Bell sometimes, and then afterwards you sweat.
Well, not really. The outgoing infrared radiation is stopped by greenhouse gases. That radiation is absorbed and then re-emitted, which ultimately heats the Earth's atmosphere.
I wonder what other feedbacks contribute to an increasing planet temperature.
Temperature? I hardly know her.
An increase in albedo leads to a decrease in global mean temperature, which leads to an increase in the growth of continental ice sheets, which in turn raises the planet's albedo.
Daisy World is filmed in front of a live studio audience.